WITSON.
Seconds, let me see. So let me just. Oops, that's the skip button. Just using the steering wheel control button, sorry. So, as you can see, sound may not look great in the video, but to be honest with you, I can trust me, it's quite loud. So, I'll just go a little run through of the system now, just to show you. 1 second, let me go back to the home, just to show you the rear camera. This is the original rear camera of the car. So as you can see, you can improve that a little bit. Just bear in mind that the camera of the car's only really got the resolution of the smaller screen. So what you'll find is, because the systems are going up to a 9-inch screen, the resolution on them are HD, but obviously the resolution of the camera doesn't really incorporate for a HD 9-inch screen, so you'll find that there might be a little bit of a grainier image. But if you do want to go aftermarket, you can go up to an AHD camera, which is top of the range, and you can get a lot more clearer image on there. But as I say, if you're looking to keep OEM, you don't want to put extra stuff on there, then obviously this is a good solution for it. This is our HV Style 3 range. You can change that to miles per hour just simply by pressing the screen. You can change it in the back end settings with a with the back end settings with a little password which you can provide here. But if you like that screen, then obviously that one's there. These icons here are all basically customized. Excuse me. You can customize these icons here. So if you want to add something to the front end of the screen, like that one there, you can add that, or you can change it by simply holding it and then just adding icons like this. So you can put all your favorite apps on the front of it. These ones here is obviously radio. It's obviously got built-in Bluetooth, so obviously you can link your phone to it. You can stream your music through that there too, if you want to put music from your phone onto there. And also it's got phone book support obviously through this menu here, which is obviously not paired up today, so I'll show you that another time. Music, and this one here. So if you want to put your if it's very sensitive, the screen, if you want to put your films or albums on a USB pen, you're quite old-fashioned. System does come with you 2 USB cables with it, so you can highlight them through one of these icons here. This is your DSP sound processor, so obviously if you're into your subs and your outputs and stuff like that, and amplifiers and stuff, you can customize the sound in there. Going on to this one is all your application center. So this is basically where all your apps are, which all gets stored into. This one here is your Carplay and your Android Auto one. So obviously if you wanted to use that, then you can use this one here. It's called CarLink 2.0. If you like browser apps here, Google Chrome, File Manager. So if you've got IPTV on your TV at home, on like on a Fire Stick or something, you can upload it on there by using basically that, by putting on a USB pen and uploading apps that are not in the Play Store on there. Okay, see how quick and responsive it is. This is an 8-core processor one, comes with 232 gig of RAM. You can upgrade up to 6 and 128 if you wish, but as you can see, even the 232 gig is quite quick and responsive. So that one's there. Okay, there's your user guide on there if you wanted to have a little look how to play with the system. This is your Google Maps here. Let's have a little look. Go off there 1 second. Get off. This one here, Play Store, so if you want to download any applications on there. Here's your vehicle settings app, which basically doesn't show much in there, but obviously just change that to English. Steering wheel controls, does work with them anyway because I showed you that before. Touch assist, this will get you this little stupid icon here. It's just a back button, so it gives you that, but obviously it gets in people's way, so we'll switch that off. Let's have a little look. Video, voice search, and YouTube, yeah. So hope you like the video, guys. Let me just show you one more thing before we go. Is just the back end settings, which is just obviously if you customize with Android, then obviously you'll get all like these options here. There's different things. Password's 3368. That takes you into the back end there, which obviously you don't really need to play around much with that. And what else is there? Sorry, 1 second. I'm just being that quick today, aren't I? User, just another one's the system there, which is obviously developer options and stuff. Okay, again, great for the cars with the amplifier. So JBL speakers in here today, original rear camera. All
WITSON.